Hey guys, so I bought and used the Meticore weight loss supplement and I decided to do my own Meticore review to share my own experience with Meticore weight loss supplement. I will be exposing some other secrets about Meticore that other reviews won't tell you. I have seen loads of Meticore review videos with lots of them making some huge claims, so I decided to do mine and be honest with you guys based on my personal experience. In this video, I will also be sharing my personal experience with the weight loss supplement from the first time I started using it until now. I will share my before and after pictures so you can also see my progress. I will then tell you the good and the bad sides I discovered with Meticore supplement. And very importantly, I will also walk you through the scam I discovered when I was trying to buy my Meticore supplement. I will explain in detail what this scam is, how it works, and how you can avoid falling for this scam so you don't end up losing your money like I did. With this information, you can then make an informed decision if Meticore weight loss supplement is what you want or not. So, I ordered my Meticore weight loss supplement and the 6-bottle package has been delivered to me here in the UK after about a week or so. It has 30 tablets in each bottle, so it's supposed to last a month. Let me show you what the tablet looks like. So I was taking one of these tablets during breakfast every day, and that was how I lost about 25 pounds within 6 to 9 weeks of using it. So I will be explaining in details how it worked for me. First, let me talk about the scam I mentioned. So how it works? Please make sure you listen so you don't fall a victim like I did. So what these scammers do is that because they know that this Meticore weight loss supplement is getting very serious attention on the internet and increasing in their popularity, they have gone to create a fake website that looks almost the same as the real official Meticore website. So they will make it look like you're getting like 70, 80, 90% discount on the Meticore supplement when you buy from their website. But when you actually buy that, they will take your payment information and make as many withdrawals as they can. And of course, without sending you any supplement. That's because they are not the owners of the Meticore supplement. So guys, please make sure you are staying away from anyone that is promising you dubious discounts because there are high chances they are not from Meticore. To help you solve this problem, for anyone watching this video, I have put the link to the Meticore official website in the description down below. That's the link where I bought mine after falling for these scammers myself. So after watching the review video and seeing my before and after pictures, and you can decide if you want to buy. You can use the link to securely order yours, but even if you are not ready to order your own, you can save this video or save the link so you can use it anytime you're ready to that. You are sure you are buying from the official website, so use that. So now that we have taken care of the issue of these scammers, let me walk you through my experience. I was becoming very uncomfortable about my constant gaining of weight, and then COVID-19 made it worse. It was really becoming terrible for me, to be honest. Before I knew it, I was already over 195 pounds and was getting bigger. I have tried different diet plans, but it was not working. I tried some other supplements, but still didn't work for me. It was really affecting my confidence, and yeah. My sister came back one day and saw that I was feeling down, as I have been for a while, and she told me about her colleague in the office who has lost a great deal of weight because he was using a supplement called Meticore. Well, at first I was hesitant, although desperate, so I accepted to try it. So I went ahead to research for reviews on Meticore weight loss supplement. I saw some good reviews, and then I saw a review where I was promised an 80-90% discount. I quickly jumped in to enjoy the offer, so I put in my PayPal details and then purchased the product. I waited for the product, but it never came, only for me to start getting transaction notifications on my PayPal. When I opened my PayPal account, I found out that I have nothing left in my PayPal, that my $720 were gone. So guys, please be careful. This is the scam I mentioned to you earlier. So they took my details and then started making withdrawals with it. To avoid anyone else falling into their hands like I did, I have left the link to the official website where I finally bought mine in the description down below. So after falling victim, I had to ask my sister to get the link to the official website from her colleague, and that's where I finally bought mine. Please make sure you use the link in the description so you don't fall a victim like I did. So, to cut this long story short, I lost about 25 pounds within 6 to 9 weeks of using the Meticore supplement. As you can see my before and after pictures on the screen, just as I promised. So, my before picture was me at about 192 pounds, while my after picture was me at 165. So you can tell that the supplement actually worked for me. All you need to do is to make sure you are buying from the official website. That way you are sure you are safe. The link is in the description down below again. Well, you can now tell why I'm so happy to give a review on this product. So now, let me tell you about the pros and the cons I noticed while using the Meticore supplement. Before I continue, please make sure you like this video and share across your platforms so it can get to people looking for real customer reviews, so they won't fall into the hands of these scammers as well. If you have any questions, please do well to drop in the comment section down below. You can also share your personal experience so that others will learn from it too. So about the pros, one of the first things I noticed when started taking the Meticore is that I started having a better sleep. I noticed my sleep got better, to be honest. I could sleep longer than I used to, and when I woke up strong. This was a big plus for me. Another thing I noticed was my body metabolism. I used to feel so weak after finish eating, and then it stopped. So Meticore helped improve my body metabolism. With Meticore, I did not have to stop any diet, I could still eat what I wanted, and also I didn't need to be involved in any strenuous exercises or gym workouts, but it still worked for me. Another thing I want to mention is that from my research, I found out that Meticore ingredients are completely 100% natural. This means there are no side effects, and I didn't experience any side effects from taking Meticore supplement at all. So, Meticore supplements are also FDA approved. I forgot to mention that Meticore supplement also has 100% no questions asked money back guarantee, which means you're buying at no risk. If the product doesn't work for you, you can easily ask for refunds. Now, let's talk about the bad things that I found about Meticore. One of the bad things I noticed is the fact that there are loads of fake websites trying to scam people of their money. So you need to be careful of those promising too much discount. Like I said earlier, I have left the link to the official website in the description. So if you decide to buy it, you can easily use the link, and that way you are sure you are safe from the scammers. Another bad thing you may not like about the supplement is that the results vary. My friend that bought the supplement after I bought mine started seeing results after about 9 weeks, while I started seeing results in week 6. So the results may vary from one person to another, but it actually works because it did work for me and for my friend too. Some can start seeing results earlier, like from 4 weeks, but it can be faster or a bit slower. You just need to buy it, then make sure you use it consistently and see how it works for you. So yeah, these are the bad things I noticed about Meticore, so you can now decide if you want to use this supplement, but I can strongly recommend it for you because it has definitely worked for me and I don't see why it wouldn't work for you. Please remember that when you decide to buy this weight loss supplement, please make sure you are using the link in the description to make sure you are safe. You don't want to lose money like I did. Yeah, so that's it for my review of the Meticore supplement. Please make sure you like and share this video to also help others to be safe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!